Welcome to MTS Technik workshop. My name is Kacper, and in this video I've got something special for every BMW E36 Compact enthusiast as well as Z3 drivers. This is our coilover suspension kit for your car. We offer these kits in three variants: comfort, street and stance. They differ in spring type and stiffness. Let's start with front suspension. As you can see, we've got two threaded shock absorbers finished in a gold zinc coating, both featuring the hexacoil adjustment nuts. Thanks to the use of this small clamping screw, your height adjustments will now be safe, easy and secure. We utilize springs manufactured by a German company, Eibach. Depending on the variant you buy, you get different type of springs. For stance variant, we've got ERS type springs with linear characteristics. Their inner diameter of 60 millimeters allows for easy replacement with spring of different stiffness. ERS type springs are paired with helper springs that provide them with preload. Street variant uses ERS type springs in the front and progressive springs in the back. Progressive springs ensure excellent comfort without sacrificing driving characteristics. In comfort variant, we've got progressive springs both front and back. In the front, they will also be paired with helper springs. Now that we have talked about the springs, we can talk about the rear suspension. Rear suspension utilizes these distinctly yellow sport shock absorbers with a shortened stroke with increased damping force compared to the original shock absorbers. They are tailored for lowered suspensions. Our kits are shipped to you with dedicated bump stops and dust covers on front struts, as well as black anodized aluminum spring caps if necessary, as well as black anodized aluminum height adjusters for the rear suspension. You can also order street and stance kits with dedicated camber plates or with dedicated camber plates and rear tap mounts. Camber plates allow for modification of caster angle and a smooth adjustment of camber angle. Ours are made of black anodized aluminum and steel and feature a uniball bearing, ensuring rigidity and reliability. Thanks to the use of a polyurethane bushings, our rear tap mounts ensure stiffness of your rear suspension. These are made, as I mentioned, of polyurethane and black anodized aluminum, ensuring reliability and high quality finish. Both camber plates can be ordered separately for street and stance variants, and rear tap mounts can be ordered separately for any variant of our suspension. Our kits also include an adjustment wrench, 2 MTS Technik stickers and any necessary documentation, such as installation manual or TUV certificate for kits without camber plates. Thanks for watching.